Hey people, so those of you all who are following my channel would know that I had a very eventful morning. Like if you were to just see the video before the one I've uploaded just now, basically that's what I was helping in an animal rescue operation, and it was very not too successful because basically that's what I've been witnessing this practically every Sunday for the past 25 years. Someone just randomly coming and trying to carry off these pigs who are screaming in pain. So today I tried to take a stand, and of course, so it's I know that I followed my conscience, and in the sum total of things, that's the only thing that matters. Because when I put it up on Instagram, just the 17-second video, then they were like, the people like unfollowing and all. Good for them, because I know I followed my conscience, and the sum total of things, following your conscience is what counts the most in life. So that's what this is. Already a 1 minute long video, but I think I'll do this certain review in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.